everyone, this is Cole from Mountain Life Church. I'm here to show you guys our brand new app out on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. All you got to do is search up Mountain Life McCall, and it'll have a gray icon like the one in the center of my screen. So once that's downloaded, we'll open it up and you'll be taken to our home page. Now at the bottom there's a navigation menu, and we'll go through that as we get along here. But this main page is where you'll find our main things like help, our announcements, the Bible, how to contact us and whatnot. And this will be your main page for information to get throughout the week, throughout the months, and just on the app. So next up is media, second tab on the left and the bottom, and this is where you'll have sermons and eventually our worship videos and whatnot. So you go into sermons. This will be updated weekly on the newest sermons we got coming out, and right now they're the church at home videos. So you can watch those, you can listen to those, you can download them just for you guys to watch, to learn, to listen. So down in the middle you'll have your connect page, and this is how you stay connected with us inside and outside of church. So we got life groups, next steps, Elevation Kids, youth group, and our Facebook page. And this is just for you guys to stay connected with us in just more than one way than seeing us on Sundays. Next up we have giving, and this is really simple. It's through Subsplash. All you got to do is type in your dollar amount and the frequency down at the bottom. The bar I'm moving right here, and you can set it up to do it whatever frequency you desire. You do have to create an account, so you'll just follow through the steps. Once you type in your amount and the frequency, you hit next and it'll take you through that. And once you complete that, you're good to go forever. So finally we have the More tab, and this is where our newsletter and events are. So up next we got John coming from City Life Church in San Francisco, August 23rd at MLC, so make sure to be there. And finally up at the top left, you see those three bars next to the More. You hit that, and that's where you can go navigate to more settings like our home tab, search. You can search the app, whatever you need to find. Downloads that you have, your inbox, which we'll get to in just a second, your giving history and all that, and then your settings. So in the settings, you'll want to go here and make sure your notifications are on so you can get the latest information and updates we have to put out. It'll show up on the top of your bar and notifications on your phone. Like I had that little video icon right there, it'll show up there, and that's just to keep you guys updated on what we got going on. And then finally, you guys see this little three dots with the lines connecting them, and that is how you share. Anything in the app can be shared through any messaging app you have on your phone, and you can set that to whatever preferences you desire. Then finally at the top right, we have those two chat bubbles, and this is really cool. It's an in-app messaging system. And this is where you'll find a bunch of channels that you guys can be a part of and you can talk to each other in. So on the right side, there's the Discover page. And so once we have channels set up, like let's say there's a women's ministry conference going on and you guys want to be a part of the setup, you want to be talking about that, and you don't want the group text on your phone, you go in here and you can join that. We'll have sections for each ministry you could be involved in. And it's just another way for you guys to stay connected to us, another way to talk to us, because we love to do life with you, and we love to stay connected, and we love talking to you. We're not meant to do life alone, and this is all about relationships in the church and just furthering God's message. Well, that about does it. I'll leave the rest for you guys to explore on your own. We thank you, love you guys, and I really hope you enjoy the app. Bye.